Right, our problem is to take these two annoyingly large numbers, 6643 and 2873, find their GCD, and find x and y so that the GCD is a linear combination of the numbers. So we'll start by just writing A equals 6643, B equals 2873, and following the book's lead, we're going to write this in matrix form as 1, 0, 6, 6, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 8, 7, 3. And now we'll start to apply the Euclidean algorithm. So I'm going to divide the smaller into the larger. And when I do that, I get 6643 is 2 times 2873 plus 897. All right. So just doing row operations on this now, I am going to have that. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to leave the second row alone, and I'm going to subtract this from there. So I'm going to take row 1 minus 2, row 2. And if I do that, what I end up with is 1 minus 2, 8, 9, 7, and 0, 1, 2, 8, 7, 3. Where of course I did not do any of these calculations by hand. Now again, I'm going to divide the smaller into the larger, and I have then 2873 is 3 times 897 plus 182. So I'm now going to get a new matrix doing row operations, where this time I'm going to leave the first row alone, and I'm going to subtract that 3 here. I'm going to take row 2 minus 3 times the previous row 1. And when you do that, you end up with 1 minus 2, 8, 9, 7. I just copy that one over. And the other one turns out to be minus 3, 7, 182. All right. So, okay, I now do my division again, dividing the smaller into the larger. 8, 9, 7 is 4 times 182 plus 169. So this time I'm going to have, all right, row 2 stays the same, and I'm going to take row 1 minus that 4 there times row 2, and that gives me 13 minus 30, 169, and minus 16, no, I'm sorry, I'm messing up there. And then I'm just going to have the same row from row 2 stays the same, so that's going to be minus 3, 7, 182. Now, we're getting there. Now I'm going to divide here. 169 is 1 times 182 plus 13. So this time I'm going to, all right, row 1 is going to stay the same, and I'm going to take row 2 minus row 1, that one there, minus that, And this is now going to give me 13 minus 30, 169, and minus 16, 37, and 13. And if I do my last division, I have that 169 is 13 times 13 plus 0, so there's no remainder here. So we have the GCD of our original numbers. Let's see, what were they? 6643 and 2873 is 13. And if I rewrote these equations here, instead of matrix form here, since we've just done row operations, this says 13a minus 30b equals 169. Well, that's something we don't really care about, so let's cross that out. But this one here says that minus 16a plus 37b is 13, or minus 16 times a was 6643 plus 37 times b, which was 2873, is 13. So in ax plus by equals 13, which is the GCD of a and b, this will work with x equals minus 16 and y equals 37.